Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I haven't posted in a while. So, I'll be showing you how to get, let me see. I have a lot of markers. I'll be showing you how to get. So, let me see. This one. Look, this. This is so easy. Super easy. It's not even hard. So the first step is go to the mountain, okay guys? Then, wait guys, let me just get to this place. So you have to type in Hell Rock 3 times, like this. Hell Rock. Enter. And then it will say this. And then, wait for it. And then Hell Rock. And then it will show you this. Now, one more time. And it should work. See, you will get this. I already own it. So, bye guys. Bye guys. Before I leave, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.